So like I was saying, we're doing circumference of circles. The circumference of a circle is the measure of the outside on the edge of a circle. The formula for it is either 2 pi r or pi d, depending on if I'm given the radius or the diameter. So, number 1, it wants me to find the circumference and to round to the nearest tenth if necessary. So it starts off by giving me my radius. So I'm going to plug into the 2 pi r part of the formula. I'm going to have c equals 2 pi, and then r is 12. Okay, then all I need to do is go to Desmos and type this into the calculator. So I want to do 2 pi and then 12. I can type the letters pi to get pi. This question wanted me to round to the nearest tenth, so it's going to be 75.4. And then I was in meters. Okay. So number 2 gives me a circle with a diameter. So I'm going to plug into the second part of the formula, the pi d. I'm going to have c equals 18 pi. And then I can just go to Desmos and type that in. Which gets me 56.5. And this one was inches. Number 3, this one gives me a radius, so I'm going to plug into the 2 pi r. And then I just go ahead and go to Desmos and type that in. Which gets me 17.6. This one was in pi. Okay. Number 4 gives me a diameter. So I'm going to do c equals 35 pi. And then I can go ahead and type that into Desmos. Which gets me this one. Because the number after the 9 is a 5, it's going to round that 9 up to a whole number. So this is going to round up to 110. So this one is going to be 110 kilometers. So 5 and 6 are working backwards. It wants me to find the diameter of a circumference of 66 meters. So this is going to be, this is my c. So I'm going to have 66 equals pi d. And I know to use this formula because of the word diameter. Then I want to go ahead and divide both sides by pi. So on my right side, the pi's cancel out, and I'm left with 66 over pi. So I can go to Desmos and type that in. Which gets me 21 if I round to the nearest tenth. Same idea for number 6, except this time it says find the radius of a circle with a circumference of 22 feet. So this is my C, and because it says radius, I'm going to use the 2 pi r formula. So I'm going to have 22 equals 2 pi r. Then I want to divide both sides by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11. And then I have pi r. Then I want to go ahead and divide both sides by pi. So I have r equals 11 divided by pi. Then I can just go to Desmos and type that in. Which gets me 3.5. And this one was in feet.